I tested Rodin AI and I want to give you my honest review in 4 minutes. So what I've done is I am testing every AI 3D model tool there is, and it kind of boils down to 3 of them. And Rodin AI is actually one of the best ones. There's Rodin AI, and I would consider Meshi AI and Triple AI to be the top 3. So first of all, where Rodin AI stands out, I gotta say the tool is on a different level as far as quality. If it's professional grade quality you are looking for and realism is a huge factor, I think Rodin AI is the best AI 3D model generator for this. Now, that being said, if you're looking for multicolor specialization, I think Triple AI is definitely the tool for this. And what separates Triple AI from a lot of the others is the hyperrealism when it comes to multicolor. And you can actually come down here and export the file and directly upload that file into your slicer, and your slicer will pick up all the multicolors. Whereas some of the other tools, what you have to do is download the file, put it in the blender, do a bunch of things for 10 minutes, download it, then put it into your slicer, whereas Triple AI directly does it. And I think this is a huge deal because it's going to save you a lot of time. What's also cool is Triple AI has a ultra mesh quality setting. I kind of like it over here. So if you don't want to spend a lot of credits, you could just use the standard one, which is less credits, or you can get the hyperrealism where it's ultra mesh quality. So here is an example. This is a 3D model, and I created an image in ChatGPT. This is a Rick and Morty themed character. I put this into Triple AI. Looks really good, right? And we actually 3D printed the model on the channel here. Here is an example of that same image I put into a cheaper tool. This is the model it created. Having the right tool and paying a little bit more money makes a big difference. That's all I'm gonna say. Here's another example. I asked this tool to make me a 90-degree plumbing elbow. This is what it came up with. And again, I'm not trying to crap on certain tools, but I do think that quality matters when it comes to choosing the right tool. That's all I'm gonna say. And at any point during the video you want to check out these tools, I'll put all my affiliate links down in the description. With most of them, you'll actually get a free trial just to try it. So I talked about Rodin AI being probably the highest quality typography and mesh quality, like it's hyper realism professional grade. When it comes to price difference breakdown on these 3 tools, Meshi and Triple are actually very similar. Both are around $20 a month and use a credit system, where generating a model usually costs somewhere around 20 to 40 credits depending on the settings. So the more complex the model, the more credits it uses. Rodin AI works on a credit system too, but many users say it focuses more on higher quality meshes and cleaner topology, which means you might generate fewer models, but the quality can be a bit better. So overall, Meshi and Triple are the quantity play, while Rodin is more about quality. I talked about Triple AI being the best for multicolor and having really high quality still. And then I think Meshi AI has its place too, because what this tool does really well is it's good at making humans and small figurines and pets. I would say though, if you're trying to do multicolor, again, Triple AI is the best for that. I would say Meshi AI is the fastest model generator, meaning it'll create your model in like a couple seconds, whereas some of the tools could take up to like 10 minutes. I will say Meshi AI does a really good job with doing symmetrical surfaces. Like the back of this model right here is where a lot of the other tools would struggle, but like surface area and making it symmetrical and making it so that all the areas are smooth for a 3D model, Meshi AI is probably arguably the best for doing that. And I actually just uploaded a video where I custom create home decor 3D models that I'm selling on Etsy, and these are some of them, and we 3D printed them and they actually turned out amazing, and I'm doing really well selling these models. So we've done 4 designs now. We did that decoration looking thing, we did the cat, which is pretty cool, and we did the home sign, which is lame, I think, and we did the cut off legs goat style character. I think this stuff could sell on Etsy, or maybe at trade shows, maybe at your local craft store. This should get the ball rolling for ideas. I tested Rodin AI. This is my honest review in 4 minutes. Hopefully this video helped shed some light on what's the best choice for you. I have tons of other videos on the channel here if you're looking for more tutorials on how to use these AI 3D model generators. Again, I'll throw all the affiliate links to the tools talked about down below if interested. But guys, before you go, YouTube thinks you're gonna love this next video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm 3D Print Dude, and I'll see you guys in the next one.